So today we are unboxing another RCT inverter. I need a knife. Perfect weapon to unbox an inverter. So yeah, today we are unboxing a RCT inverter, another RCT. This is a 2.5 kilowatt. And yeah, let's see what's in the box. This thing has got actually a nice MPPT charger. Oh, this is nice. Maybe I'll do all my unboxings with that knife. All right, so inside the box, nicely packaged, sturdy foam, another inverter. Let's get this out. Right, so in the box you get your inverter and you get this little package that's got your communication cable for your RS232 to your laptop, I think, and a little metal plate and a booklet. Right, so the little plate that you get with the inverter is actually to keep your cables a bit more sturdy. Once you've inserted your cables into the battery port, so there you can see you can just put the cables next to that little plate, fasten the plate on the inverter at the bottom, and then you cable tie the cables to that little plate, this one, just to make it a bit more sturdy and better for the cables. Alright, so this is another expert range inverter. I'm sure it is. It's branded RCT, so there you go. Very nice RCT logo. I like the dark design, not the green or the yellow that most of the inverters are these days. At the bottom you've got your PV input on this side. So there you can see PV input, where your solar panels goes in. These are just your fans to cool the machine down. Positive and negative over here for your batteries. And then on this side you've got your AC in and out. Then on the side you've got the inverter's specs and stuff like that. So if you have a look there, so at the top there you can see it's 2500 watts, 24 volts. So this is a 24 volt system. You will be able to use a 24 volt battery to power this. Oh, there we go. The solar charger module is actually 3000 watt. Let's see what's on this side. Also is the power button to switch it on and off. And there's the COM port for the software that you can use on your laptop to program the inverter. On the other side there's just a breathing hole, and yeah, that's it. So this thing gets mounted to the wall with two little holes. You can use normal 6mm Hiltis or screws like that. Oh, and there's a little earth screw at the bottom to earth the chassis also. And yeah, that's about it. You do not open up this machine to connect anything inside. Everything is connected on the outside. So it's a bit difficult to make it really safe, but yeah, if you put a nice big trunking maybe just right here, then you can put everything that comes out of here on the 220 side. You can make it safer and put it into a plastic trunking, but just make sure you don't block these fans or anything like that. That's the only maybe a little bit of a downside with this one, but just install it high enough so that children can't reach it, and yeah, that there's no potential danger for children. Let's quickly see. So it's got this little display over here on the front, and with this thing it's the basic menu that you get with all of these inverters. It's got an AC light and a charge light, a fault light, and then on this screen it'll show you what is going into the inverter and out of the inverter, and yeah, everything like that. So that was just to give you a quick idea of how this looks. It's not a very heavy machine. At the moment my back is so sore, and I can even hold this at a stretch. So not a difficult thing to handle. This will definitely be a nice addition if you want to just keep a few things on, and yeah, I'm sure that it's far strong enough to actually keep all the lights in your house on. The charger inside of it is an MPPT charger, as I said. So this will charge much more efficiently, I think, than the PWM chargers. There is a bit of a debate about that, but especially with 3000 watts of solar that you can put into this thing, you'll definitely get a good charge out of it. And remember, this is a pure sine wave inverter, so not a modified sine wave inverter. Very good quality kind of an inverter to use on your electronic equipment. So yeah, that's the unboxing of this RCT. Hopefully you get an idea of how it looks before you buy it and try to fit it. All the specs and stuff for this little machine is on the internet, and sizes and all of that. But yeah, this is how it looks, and hopefully that just helps you to make a decision, a bit more informed kind of a decision, and helps you to make or to plan your outage prevention. Good luck to you guys out there. With all the load shedding and stuff in our country that's going on, this is an actual solution that will maybe save your day. Thanks for watching.